Hi guys, it's Cindy. I wanted to give you a really quick tip today. And sometimes we will create a hole in our signatures that is just too large. And when you tie your knot, it goes through the hole instead of sitting on top. And so your signatures aren't properly secured. This can happen for a variety of reasons. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but one of the common reasons is that because, especially with a pamphlet stitch and the middle hole, we go through it twice. So sometimes we might not go through the exact same spot and it might make the hole wider. Or in my case, a couple of reasons why I do this. Sometimes my awl is very tapered, and if I go too far, if I go up to here, that's way too big of a hole. And also I have trouble with my hands. I really can't thread a needle very easily. I use a very large needle because I have trouble gripping, and the eye of the needle is very large, and so sometimes that just makes the hole bigger than I want to. There's such an easy fix for this that I just want to show you, and that is when you're getting ready to tie your knot, what you want to do is wrap one of these threads around the thread of your signature. I'm going to do it one more time because it's a little hard to see. So I'm lifting this up, passing it under that thread, and now I'm going to tie my knot. And another trick too is when you're tying your knot, pull up on it as you're tightening it. So I'm going to tie my knot and I'm pulling up as I make my knot. So now I have a knot that is actually passed around through this piece of the thread here, and it can't pull through the hole. And tie a double knot just to make sure. But that is your little trick for the day. I hope it helps. Bye.